Hi, I'm Zarife Hardy from the Australian School of Etiquette. Our public workshops are back. Kids, teens and adults. We just want to share with you a little bit about how they're going to look, adhering to the current COVID health regulations. Upon entering our training rooms, every student will be required to sanitise their hands. Sorry, no handshaking. Every chair in the room will be 1.5 metres apart. There also won't be any activities involving touch or close proximities between students. We also won't be providing any food or beverages, and we ask that you don't attend if you're not feeling 100%. Beyond that, our workshops remain the same. COVID-19 hasn't taken away our abilities to have exceptional etiquette skills, exceptional knowledge, and exceptional confidence. I really look forward to working with you or your child very soon.